Here at BEACN, we've implemented some features into BEACN Mix Create that we feel will allow you to assign your audio sources easier than before. So in today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how you would do this previously, and then we're going to show you how we do it in BEACN Mix Create. Let's get started. So previously, when you would assign your audio sources in Windows, what you would have to do is you'd have to click Start, and then click Settings, and go to Sound, and then you would have to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and go Volume Mixer, and then find the application that you were looking for. In this instance, we'll use Google Chrome, and you would change the output device to be whatever device you wanted it to be. So for instance, Spotify, you would set it to music. With BEACN Mix Create, what we've done is all you have to do is drag and drop it to the knob that you wish to move it to. There you have it. That's it. You drag and drop the application that is making sound to the knob that you want to move it to, and it's as easy as that.